Hello all, welcome to INYA. In today's video, we're going to show you a few semi-tussar sarees. These are Bomkai Semi Tussars. The price range of 1840 with nice hand painting style. For wash care and maintenance, we recommend that you dry clean for the initial wash, and for subsequent washes, you can do a mild hand wash at home. Let's get started. The first is a nice yellowish green saree with the orangish tint for the borders and nice hand painting style. You can see the lower skirting border, nice lavender base with floral vine drawn and painted. And whole of the saree will have a tie and dye effect. So I'll show you up close. So this is for the lower half. So I'll show this and you will be able to see the tie and dye effect. You can see some light grey patches here and there. That is the tie and dye effect. Throughout the body, this tie and dye effect would be there. So only those of you who would like to wear such sarees, make an order of it. I hope it's visible in the video. Because not all of them would prefer tie and dye effects throughout the body. So those of you who prefer tie and dye effect, only then place the order. So for the upper border, the painting is going to be from the hip and above, and for the pleat portion they will not be painting at the tuck-in part. So for the entire saree, the lower border has the skirting floral vine border. So that's going to be the pallu, the painting flowing into the pallu, finished with tassels and the nice contrast skirt. This is kind of brick red. That's the blouse. The saree is priced at 1840. Next is a nice dark green shade with slightly darker lavender tone for the painting and nice mustard yellow borders. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. This also has light tie and dye effect in the same color, that is green to green, so it's not very visible. So that's the painting for the lower skirt. Lower skirting border is nice painting design. And for the upper, this painting will be available only for the hip and above portion. So this is the lower pleating part of the saree. This will have painting at the bottom half alone. So that's going to be the pallu, the painting carried down into the pallu, finished with tassels, and this comes with a light dull mustard color blouse, similar to the border. This is priced at 1840. Third is a nice elephant grey saree, one of my favorites of this lot. Very nice and neat and elegant design for both sides of the borders. So this has border throughout the body on both sides, same border, same painted skirting border. It has nice floral in a concentric circle and then nice larger leaf kind of painting that's drawn throughout. So that's going to run throughout the body. Nice grey tone and a beautiful pallu. It's again painted, a nice face figurine, and this comes with the same color running blouse. It's a monotone saree. It's plain grey color blouse finished with tassels as well. So that's the look of the entire body. This saree is priced at 1840. Next is a nice pista green with orange tone. This has a different pattern. This has a raising pallu pattern, meaning at the lower half the designs would start. So for this is the pleat portion. So there will be only little drawings given at the end, the lower part alone. And as we go hip and above, you will have the design flowing almost into the entire part of the saree, from the lower into the upper. The floral pattern will keep broadening and the color of the saree, the pista green color of the saree, will be shortening. So that's the painting, nice floral painting. That's the pallu, finished with tassels, and this has a tomato color blouse, plain blouse in tomato color. Borders are in orange, but the blouse, because there is slight tissue finish, this looks more orangish. The blouse is not that orangish, it's more like a tomato shade. So this saree is priced at 1840. Next is a nice mustard yellow with ice blue or ice grey borders, and for the lower skirting there is a mauve shade for the painting. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Nice mustard body, and for the lower skirting border it's a mauve, light mauve or light pink shade with large floral and bird motifs. So that's the look of the entire body. Borders are nice light pastel ice blue. It's not grey, it's not blue, it's a tint of greyish blue. So that's going to be the pallu. The mauve shade flowing into that of the pallu, and nice painting for the pallu. This comes with a plain ice blue blouse. So that's the color of the blouse. This is priced at 1840. This is a nice lime green saree, slightly yellowish green kind of tone with nice light pink for the skirting border. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Nice plain body for the upper half, and for the lower you can see nice painted skirting border. Nice florals and bird painting. So that's going to be the pallu. So this comes with a apple green color blouse. So that's going to be the plain blouse for this saree, because it's the apple green color shade that's given for the borders. So it's the same color that's given for the blouse as well. So that's the look of the entire body. This saree is priced at 1840. This is the last design for today. 2 shades to show you in this design, but this was a design that we had previously posted about a couple of months back, and there was good response to it. This time this is a different shade. This shade we had not put up in the previous video. This is a nice, this is more like a flowing color shade, about 3 to 4 shades that will flow from the darkest in the top and the lightest in the lower border. So this is from a combination of brown, red, maroonish tint that will flow, that will shade away. So the darkest tint you can see from here. I'll show you. So this is the darkest tint, and then it would be slightly lighter, and then lesser lighter, and then finally the lightest shade for the lower border. So the upper is just the tissue border kept plain with colors fading. For the lower there is a nice floral and bird pattern painted. That's the pallu. This comes with the dark brown blouse. That's the blouse piece, finished with tassels. This saree is priced at 1840. The last one for today, the same as the previous design but in a different shade. It's a blue color with the darkest of blue on top, slightly mild blue, and then finally the lightest shade to the lower border. And the lower border has nice skirting border with paintings of floral vines and birds. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. That's the pallu. A nice dark blue color blouse. This saree is priced at 1840. If you'd like to make a purchase of any of the sarees shown in this video, you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 98405 7110. Happy shopping and thank you.